Hello, Six-Pack Mentor here, and now I will talk about how can someone lose fat and build muscle at the same time. Stick around until end of the video to find out. In previous video about weight loss I talked about most effective method to burn stored fat. I used to burn over 6 kilograms in just 6 weeks. If you didn't watch it, I suggest you go and watch it because I explained a lot of terms and how burning fat actually works. Now let's continue. That method itself doesn't build us any muscle. We still need to train in order to keep muscle mass. So how do you burn fat and build muscle at the same time? In order to do so, we have to make sure two things are in place: specific diet and training. In order to burn fat, you need to be in caloric deficit, or that's at least what everyone tells you, right? Well, there is one more case: body recomposition. It requires your TDE to match number of calories you burn, known as maintenance calories. What do I mean by that? Didn't I say that maintenance calories make us look the same without any difference? Well, yes, I did, but in this specific case we are also lifting weights. So if you train hard enough to make growth system work, your muscles will need calories and protein to repair. Meaning that some amount of calories you eat are being directed to your muscles that require repairing. Since you are in maintenance calories, there is also some small deficit created in this specific reason, meaning that you are also losing fat. This method, if done properly, keeps your weight the same, but changes composition of your body, more muscle and less fat. That's why it's called body recomposition. There are a few things to keep in mind about this method. It is not the most efficient for fat loss itself. There are better methods like the one I explained in previous video. It is also not the best for building muscle. I will make video about that method too, so if you don't want to miss it, press that subscribe button. So why use it then? Because it burns fat and builds muscle at the same time. Gym beginners especially can make really big change using this exact method over time. You need to keep in mind that this method will take you longer to burn some amount of fat, but after you burn it you will look way better than if you only focused on burning fat. Remember, the goal is not weight loss, it's burning fat and keeping muscle to look as best as possible. Maintenance calories means that you burn the same amount of calories you eaten. I already explained this topic in previous video. Here is example of this method. Let's say that today you trained at the gym and burned total of 500 calories. Add that to your BMR, 2,500 in this case. That adds up to 3,000 calories spent today. If you eat in 3,000 calories, your weight will remain the same, but your muscles now require some of these calories to repair. Meaning you are in shortage of energy, so your body takes that number of calories from your stored fat. But what if you don't have any fat you want burned and want to gain weight instead? I will cover that topic too in one of the next videos, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss them out. That's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something useful. I made this video to share my knowledge about fat loss and getting in shape. If you liked the video, press like and maybe comment something. Bye.